Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. Discover strategies that will help you stop impulse buying. Has it ever happened to you to buy a beautiful piece of clothing just because it was on sale, even without having any idea how and where you would wear it? Know that at that moment you made an impulse purchase. Falling into this trap, from time to time, is even normal. Now, if you keep doing this and completely leave your financial planning because of these little purchases, it's good to be aware. Check out the tips from psychologist Tatiana Zambrano-Filamensky from the Impulse Disorders Outpatient Clinic of the Institute of Psychiatry at Hospital das Clínicas de São Paulo, and psychiatrist Fernanda Piatto Frauleonardo, professor at the Faculdade de Medicina do ABC, so that next time you can control your impulses. The talk is serious. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss other incredible tips like this one. 1. Don't see credit card as cash. Whenever possible, leave with money accounted for expenses that are already planned. Then, it becomes more difficult to fall into temptation, use the limit of cards and overdraft, and end up with a debt greater than you can pay. Solution: leave the cards and checks at home. 2. Impulsivity. If you find something you really like in a store, but you're not so sure you need it, go home and think about it some more. If the object doesn't leave your head for the next 2 or 3 days, and the purchase fits into your budget, then you can go back to the store and buy it. Otherwise, invest your money in something else more important. Solution: confused? Come back empty-handed. 3. Ostentation. If you know that self-control is not your strong point, ask a friend to accompany you during your walks, especially in the mall or other shopping centers. If he is a prudent and economical person, even better. This way, you can help him stay in line by providing good arguments to make him think twice before opening his wallet. Solution: hang out with your cheapskate friend more. 4. Consumerism. If you are not planning to buy anything, prefer to take the family for a walk in the park, museum, or other destination where the appeal of consumption is less. On the internet, it is possible to search for various free cultural programs. Solution: swap them all for the park. 5. Don't ignore your finances. Write down everything you need to buy and how much you want to spend on each item. If you know that you will hardly resist the desire to buy something different at the supermarket, for example, plan an amount for extra expenses, but that is in line with your budget. Furthermore, when you arrive at the place, try to spend exactly as you programmed. Solution: before shopping, make a list. Your account thanks you. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.